5 months into it. I can't believe 5 months have flown by, and now we're here 5 months already in a project of 1 year riding my e-bike Ridstar Q20, and I can't believe I'm here already. And the bike is, let me show you. I hope you can hear me. 5 months. Wow, that's amazing. 5 months riding the electric bicycle called Ridstar Q20 as my main and only source of commute around town. I live in a small town called Danbury, Connecticut, and I'm probably the first person and the only person riding an e-bike around here, because honestly I don't see nobody riding e-bikes around here, but who cares. I am saving money. I'm not buying a car for a year. I'm riding this e-bike, and I hope it outlives 1 year, because it's my only source of, it's my only means of transport right now. I did change the front tire because my front tire was actually I did change both of my tires already, because my back tire burst, it ripped off, and I had to replace it with another one I bought on Amazon. It's a Chinese one. And then I got a flat on the front, and I decided to change the whole tire with the tube and everything. But now, you know what happens? My hex nut is loose, so my wheel is loose as well, and that makes it hard to ride. So I gotta be extra careful when I'm riding. I'm gonna go to Home Depot or whatever and buy another hex nut today, because I can't ride like this anymore. It's kind of hectic. It's difficult to ride, and it's dangerous too. So I don't have a chain anymore. It was one of the first things that broke. It didn't break. What happens is I tried to change the back tire and I had to remove everything, but it was so hard that I ended up breaking it by accident. So my bad, I broke it, and I don't use a chain. I don't pedal. No pedals for me. I just ride PAS 5 set to 5 max power, and I like it because I can do short rides. I ride usually 5 miles a day, usually, and I've never run out of battery. I've never had any sort of issues, It is right now at 700 miles on it. 700 something miles on it after 5 months. 700, I'm not sure whether you can see it, but 791 miles total. 5 months already, and 5 months we're gonna celebrate it. You know how we're gonna celebrate it? By riding. We're gonna take a ride. We're gonna go to the biggest pumpkin pie, Halloween pumpkin pie in Connecticut. We're gonna go take a look at it. We're gonna take the road, and we're gonna celebrate 5 months of Ridstar Q20 riding freely, riding happily. This bike is amazing. It's an amazing, affordable bike, and if you're in doubt whether you should buy it or not, and if you have a car and you just want to have some fun riding it on the weekend, depending where you live, I totally recommend it. I do not recommend riding this for a daily commute. If you you're looking to replace your car for this, never. This is exactly what I'm doing. I replaced my old junk car for this so I can save money, but that's a personal goal, and I'm very adventurous. If you're not adventurous, I don't recommend riding it, because it could be challenging. You gotta know where you're going. You gotta know what you're doing, because it ain't easy. But I like it. I love it. 5 months, and I think it's gonna take another 7 months easily, because 5 months flew by. And I'm not sure whether I can ride on the road, but well, I'm going anyway, and hope I'm not get pulled over by a cop, whatever. Pumpkins, and we're in October. It's pumpkin time. Look at those beautiful pumpkins over there. We're not going there. We're going to see the
biggest pumpkin, Halloween pumpkin in Connecticut, which is located right here in Denver, Connecticut. It's really huge. You like pumpkins? You like Halloween? I like Halloween and I like pumpkins. Now we're going an uphill for at 19 miles an hour. It's not slow, considering it's an e-bike, considering it's an affordable e-bike. It's not slow at all. It is dangerous though, so I'm looking back all the time, make sure that I don't get run over by a truck or whatever. The American flag, amazing. Love America, love the US, such a great place. Wow, America's great. You know, it's the greatest country in the world. I can tell you. You ever been in another country as a visitor, as a guest? You know, I tell you, it's different from living in a country, from being part of a country and living in their country. Even if you go to a paradise like anywhere in the Caribbean, it's different. Visiting, living, there are different things. And America is the greatest place on earth to live on, because it's amazing. It's an amazing country. It's free. Freedom! I got freedom, baby! So it's amazing. Another light uphill over here. Wow, we're going strong at 26 miles per hour. Yeah, baby. You think I'm kidding? Ah, this is no joke. This e-bike, this Chinese e-bike called Ridstar Q20 can definitely take on the road. Oh yeah, look at this huge truck. If you're afraid of riding in the middle of cars and trucks and stuff like that, I don't recommend riding an e-bike if you don't live in New York. If you live in New York, it's pretty Actually, New York is pretty dangerous. I see a lot of people have gotten involved into accidents in New York City, in Manhattan, because it's super dangerous to ride an e-bike over there. You can get killed very easily, depending where you are. If you're not lucky, the wrong time at the wrong place, you can get killed. And I'm not kidding. You know, it's something serious and should be avoided. Unless you laugh in the face of danger. Are you the type of person who laughs in the face of danger? I'm not. I mean, I don't feel like it's unsafe to ride. It requires more attention. It requires a different approach, but I don't think it's dangerous. You know what I mean? Just signaling the guy that I'm coming in here. Alright, so we're getting to the biggest pumpkin, the biggest Halloween pumpkin in Connecticut. I'm not sure whether you can see it. Can you see it? There you go. Oh, there you go. Come on, that's amazing. Look at this medal and the carriage, and look at that pumpkin. Wow, putting it to the test. You know, I like to destroy this bike because, you know, it can take a beating. Can you see the biggest pumpkin? Whoa, that's so amazing. I like the farmer's market. I really like it. Look at that. That is amazing. That is amazing. That is the biggest pumpkin, Halloween pumpkin that I've ever seen. It's huge. Look at that medal. That's so beautiful. I wouldn't dare going up there because it's there's a lot of holes, and although I love to destroy my Ridstar Q20, I wouldn't like to destroy it right now, right here on these medals. Right, look over there. We got the farmers market, and it's pumpkin season, so they've got all kinds of pumpkins over there, all kinds of sizes, and it's amazing. I love pumpkins. Look at that. I think they're so beautiful. Pumpkins are so gorgeous. Look at those. I don't like this type though. It's doesn't remind me of good things, like maybe witches. Yeah. I like the yellow ones. Ah, look at this. Like warts. A lot of warts. I'm not sure about these ones. They don't look healthy. I like the yellow. I like the orange. I like these ones. It's like, why does it remind me of zucchini? Look, so nice. That's so nice. There's so many pumpkins over here. Yeah, that is cool. Look. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Yeah. It's certainly a beautiful season. Fall is such a beautiful season, you know. And this is a Hellas farm market. It's really nice. It's really beautiful. Look, so many kinds of pumpkins over here. Face pumpkin, 75 cents a pound. I should really carve a pumpkin this year. That would be nice. I will do it. I'll do it. I have a child. Oh, look how beautiful inside. It's really nice. And they have a pumpkin patch over there, if I'm not wrong. They have a lot of stuff around here. Yeah. Celebrating 5 months of... Oh, this is pumpkin patching. A pumpkin patch. Look here, small one. Small version. Oh, wow. That's nice. Native sweet corn. That's nice. Celebrating 5 months of Ridstar Q20, riding every single day, commuting everywhere. I don't have a car, just have this e-bike. That's my only vehicle right now, and I'm very happy. I'm very glad I made this decision, and I tried to dare. I dare to try, and I dare to be different, because you know I'm the only person riding an e-bike where I live in this town. And I'm glad I made this decision, because sometimes we're so afraid, and some people are so afraid of doing something because they don't see anybody else doing it, so it feels like it's wrong, you know. And following the herd just feels right, you know, for the masses. But you know, although counterintuitive, going with your guts is a really, really important thing. And I did that, and I don't regret it. I'm happy. 5 months riding happily everywhere. I have a blast. And I'm also very happy that I decided to start a channel so I could vlog my experience as an e-bike commuter at the age of 42, because you know it's a nice experience, and it's nice to vlog because it got an extra reason to do it. And by having viewers and people commenting the videos gives me more strength and vibes, gets me stoked, and I feel like doing it, you know, even more. I don't know, it's not a bad thing riding an e-bike. It could only be environmentally friendly, saving money, you know. Yeah, main reason is adventure, saving money, and the environment. Nah, I'm kidding. I don't care about the environment. I really like gas-fueled vehicles. I like them. I like motorcycles. Two-stroke? They're not even legal in some other countries because they pollute so much. But they're legal here in the US, if I'm not wrong. Dirt bikes, I mean. Dirt bikes, two-stroke dirt bikes. I like all types of motorcycles, to be honest. All types of motorcycles. So pollution or being environmentally friendly is not really my thing. But I certainly like to have an adventure and save money. And I'm doing both with a Ridstar Q20. I gotta fix my front wheel though, because it's loose and it's scary. I should get a new hex nut, and I mean 2 new hex nuts, and then I'm gonna be able to ride better, of course, because when you lean your bike, when I lean my e-bike, it doesn't feel sturdy. So yeah, 5 months, man. Time flies. Time definitely flies. And I'm so glad that I have had this bike for 5 months. Let's go! 7 more months. Or 8 more months, right? You know. 7 more months. 7 more months to go riding this electric bicycle called Ridstar Q20 for a whole year. And let's see if it's gonna be able to take it. You know, what concerns me the most is the battery range and life. I hope it, you know, it lives through, because I don't want to buy another battery. They're expensive, around $300. So I don't think it's going to be worth buying another one, because, you know, the good thing about this bike is because it's cheap. But the motor is amazing. So if you're buying this, let it be known that the motor is powerful, and it's good, and it's nice. And let's see if it's gonna take another 7 months. And in transmission in here, baby. All right, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and help me be stoked. I'm already pretty stoked, but help me keep stoked. All right, so thank you very much. God bless you, and have a great day. Bye-bye. Thank you. Stop recording.